Howdy, howdy, howdy. I have another great old song, a Stephen Foster song. And it was written, well, way back in the 1840s, and it's still popular. Can you imagine that? So he's one of the prolific popular songwriters, American songwriters from the 19th century. And this Oh Susanna, this is Oh Susanna, well-known tune. And I'm doing some of these maybe less bluegrassy type songs. I've done one on Four Strong Winds, an easy banjo lesson, and Good Night, Irene. So I'm trying to, you can end up in a place at a party or even a campfire. Not everybody's a bluegrass fan or knows much about bluegrass. I mean, it's still a small part of the bigger music scene. So it's always nice to have a song that people know and they could sing along with or, engage more. And that way you can lure them into more bluegrass stuff after, about that. So it's a good stepping stone, and I like to have songs that are well known to the general public and be able to play them. So this is Oh Susanna in the key of G, no capo, standard tuning. We start off with, I haven't done any hammers in my other lessons so far. This is the only technique. There's no slides. There's no pull-offs. It's just this one hammer on the third string, open, and you hammer onto the second fret. Oh, I come from Alabama. Oh, I come from right? So it starts off, and that starts the song off. It comes up again a couple of times more in the song. So again, hit the third string with your thumb. Hover over that third string with your middle finger, and it's gonna just you want it to. I can get this so you can see, not at an angle. You want it, coming down almost perpendicular. So you don't slide the string off to the side. You want to come right down on. Lots of hammers. So this is the first one. And the rest of the song is self-explanatory. There's a little thing here in the first into the second measure. I hold the third fret second string and the second fret first string. I come from Alabama. So that's it's not really a chord. You're just trying to get those melody notes. Here comes hammer again. Okay, we've seen this before. It's a partial D chord, second fret, third string, fourth fret, fourth string. That's all you need. But it means moving out of what everybody calls first position, where your index finger plays the first fret notes. You're going to move up now to second position. Your index finger plays that second fret on the third string. So that comes up. How many more times? Just two altogether. So that's the partial D again. Carries on like that, just like the first part. filler notes before you go into the C. And then there's a C. 2 forward rolls. You're in the C. Take the C off. Hammer again. Hammer again. Tag ending. Sample, if you know how to do it. So anyway, this is, I've got a whole bunch of easier banjo solos that sound great without a lot of extra technique. For people in their late, maybe the late advanced beginner, late first year, early second, mid second year of playing, it always depends about how much you can practice, right? So again, the tab is shown at the end of this video after this talk I'm doing right now. I always show all my videos have the tab shown for about 7-8 seconds at the end of the video. So you look at that. Again, I advise you to scan it, copy it, have it in front of you, and as you play my rendition of it, my recording of it, you can slow it down because it'll be on YouTube. Slow it down half or even a quarter speed if you're having trouble with a certain passage. Follow along in the tab, you're hearing it. You're following in the tab and you're seeing it. Oh, and you go, oh, that little, oh yeah, that. Okay, I hear it now. Very slow, right? And then you start tackling it yourself. You go from the page to your mind to your fingers. And slowly at first, get every note nice. Make sure every note nice. I saw this classical guitar player on a video tutorial. And he says, make sure every note is nice and clean, just the way you want to hear it later on when you know the piece. And he hits one like a off note, kind of like that, kind of chunky. And he goes, oh, he did on purpose, of course. This is just to describe, be an example. Oh, he says, I hope I get rid of that one. He says, then make it nice again. Make it nice. Make everyone nice. So anytime he hits a bad note, he says, oh, I hope that leaves that guitar. He leaves the guitar. So you don't want to rush anything. You can't rush music. You're learning it. You just can't. I mean, a little baby doesn't learn how to run right away, or he doesn't learn how to recite a big speech. You know, I mean, he can't. It starts very slow. So, but if you're tackling this, you're probably past those first stages. Anyway, oh Susanna, won't you cry for me? So that's it. Have fun with it. We'll see you later. Oh, yeah.